So today we have a broker tour, and during the tour we have chance to visit new listed home which will be open to public this coming Saturday. Out of a long list, I picked this house to show you because it's quite special. This house is located in Los Gatos, California. The square footage is 1,880 square feet and sits on a 6,600 square feet lot. And the listing price is around 1.7 million. The special thing of this house is this house has a 6-bedroom, 3-bathroom. So the original house has 4 bedroom, and the owner added 2 bedroom on top of the garage. You can take a look. So they are not big bedroom, but if you need an in-law suite to rent it out to do a home office, it might be perfect for you. So let's take a look inside. And if you're interested in this property, please contact me.